Hi, this is Priyanka Verma, a biotechnologist turned homemaker and now a certified life transformation coach and a psychological counselor. I welcome you to day 4 of our Confidence Booster Challenge. So, please tell me, what was your experience about yesterday's challenge? Yesterday we talked about the people who drain our energy and the people who motivate us. Today I'll be talking about something in relation to this only. Because other than the people who inspire us or expire us, the environment in which, the surrounding in which we are living, it also impacts your life or your energy. लोगों के साथ साथ हमारा environment भी responsible है कि हम किस तरह की energy हमारे अंदर सारा दिन रहती है. So, आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? I would love for you to go out and observe what kind of things give you what kind of energy. Just go and roam around in your house and figure it out, that is that thing giving me a positive energy or a negative energy. Because you know, our environment also affect our mood in many ways. कभी कभी होता है ना, किसी चीज से को देखते ही हमारा मूड बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है और कभी किसी चीज को बार बार देखने से एक अजीब सी नेगेटिव सी फीलिंग आती है. एंड व्हाट्स द बैड थिंग इज, so many people just don't care about the clutter around them. आपने कई घरों में देखा होगा, कुछ लोगों को क्लीनिंग की आदत नहीं होती है. Their drawers are messed up. Their stuff is lying all around here and there. Their cupboard wants to explode out when opened. Everything is a mess here and there. Nothing you can find at place, and always keep on screaming, shouting on your kids or your family members. ये कहाँ रखा है, वो कहाँ रखा है. So the point is that this kind of environment is not going to give you confidence. That kind of environment is going to suck the energy out of you, and you will not know why you are feeling so lethargic. Why are you feeling so frustrated? You don't have that clarity that why am I going through these kind of emotions when everything is good, everyone is treating me well, but still I'm not happy. This kind of emotion or the behavior is seen in fact in those people also who are staying alone. So they don't have that kind of interaction with the people, but still they are confused. All the time they feel so drained. So the reason is the clutter. Because clutter actually absorbs your positive energy. Because whenever you see the clutter, see the things lying here and there, you will start having those kind of emotions. So the task or the challenge for today is that roam around in your house and figure out that where you are finding that clutter. Now, since you find that clutter, just try to clean your environment, and you will look at all the things and really check whether now it's giving you positive energy or the negative energy. And I must say, if there is anything that gives you that is giving you a negative energy, just remove it, just throw it in the dustbin. Because अगर वो एनर्जी हमें खराब दे रही है, या ऐसे किसी पर्सन ने वो हमें दिया था जिनको हम पसंद नहीं करते, या उनसे कुछ हमारे नेगेटिव कनेक्शन है, कुछ नेगेटिव वाइब्रेशन आते हैं, वो चीज़ हमें नेगेटिविटी ही देने वाली है. लेट इट गो, लेट इट पास. Because what we do, we get stuck with all those of negative things and the negative emotions around it, and we wonder why we are feeling so negative. There is a very famous Japanese concept of decluttering therapy. It's actually a therapy in Japan. Decluttering your house gives you instant rush of happy hormones, which is definitely going to boost your self-confidence. This is a very subtle and unconscious process. We don't realize this. So now do you realize that why we have that ritual for cleaning off our houses before Diwali? हमारे जो रिचुअल्स बने हुए थे, जो वेदों में लिखा हुआ है, या हमारे जो बड़े लोगों ने जो कुछ परंपराएं बनाई थी, रीति रिवाज बनाए थे, उसमें भी कहीं ना कहीं साइंस छुपी हुई है। जब भी दिवाली के बाद हम डीक्लटरिंग करते हैं अपने घर की, so there is a different kind of happiness inside us. We feel very lighter. So by decluttering our house, we also declutter our mind, filled with negative thoughts and emotions. Now, from today, let go of all the things that drain your energy. I really hope you're going to make use of it, understanding the energy and energy connection with the environment or your surroundings. So I hope you like this challenge. Please tell me in the comment box, how did you feel after decluttering your house? Just share at least one thing with me which you will throw by today itself, so that you feel lighter and full of energy. Thank you so much. Take care. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.